We are good. Oh my. What a beautiful pour. Okay, guys. Melted chocolate. Get this all over the glass. Oh yeah. Get some graham cracker crumbs on that. So put down graham cracker crumb. We have to leave it so it could stick though. The chocolate really have to set. Grab my ice cream now. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream. Oh yeah. Jack Daniels. Irish cream. Yes, man. Kahlua. All right. Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful and soupy this is. Oh good. Look at that, look at that. We good, we good. We are good. Oh my. What a beautiful pour. Oh yes. Now I come over here with my little breakfast. Rest it right there like so. And then get a little straw on this side. And then get a little straw down on this side. Bang! And there you have it, chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Okay? Because we couldn't think of a better name. Let me taste this bad boy. Tastes like mother's milk. Okay? When you're a little baby, you know, that refreshing aftertaste. Y'all can't remember that, hey, that's the thing with y'all, okay? Y'all don't drink enough to be able to stimulate those neurons. And yes, well, you can even lick the glass. Don't do it though, because the dude hand probably been on that. All right, anyway, as always, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Don't burn down the house making this. Dinner for 5.